The 10 cutest things about sloths. 1. They are called sloths for a reason. Sloths are such slow creatures that they can live up to 40 years old. They typically eat leaves from high up in the trees, but will also eat fruit and flowers. Sloths are nearsighted, so they can't see what's below the tree line. This causes them to come crashing down to earth when they try to descend. Sloths are lazy animals who would rather spend their time sleeping or hanging from a tree than doing anything else. They have been called sloths for a reason. 2. Sloths have their own language. Sloths are some of the most adorable animals on earth, but there is a lot that we don't know about them. For instance, did you know that they have their own language? Sloths communicate with each other by making particular sounds or movements. One of their main forms of communication is through scratching and biting. When sloths are feeling threatened or stressed out, they will often make loud hooting. 3. Sloths can live up to 40 years old. Sloths are the slowest mammals on Earth, but they can live up to 40 years old. The females lay a single baby on average every 2 years, and with an adult body weight of 8 pounds and the ability to move about 10 meters per minute, it is understandable why sloths are an endangered species. 4. Sloth's fur is used in cancer research. Sloths have a special type of slow-growing hair called fur, which is prized for its softness. The hair is collected from sloths who have been anesthetized, then spun into threads to be woven into cloth. Sloth fur has been used in cancer research because it grows so slowly that it's unlikely to be contaminated with any of the diseases that afflict humans. 5. The gestation period for sloths is how long? Did you know that the gestation period for sloths is 6 months long? It is one of the longest gestation periods of any mammal. The baby sloth will usually stay with its mother for about 6 months until it can care for itself. 6. Sloths' arms are shorter than their legs. Sloths have developed an interesting way of moving. They are the only mammals that move slower than walking speed. Sloths have shorter arms than legs and can move by hanging from branches with their long, hooked claws. 7. There are 2 species of sloth. There are 2 species of sloth, two-toed and three-toed. The three-toed sloths are the ones you normally see in zoos. The two-toed sloths live in the trees of Central and South America, where they are harder to spot. 8. They are very slow animals with an average speed of 3 meters per minute. Slow lorises are native to the rainforests of Asia. They are very slow animals with an average speed of 3 meters per minute. This is because they have a low metabolic rate and they spend most of their life still. They also don't need to drink often, which means they can conserve water by not drinking the water droplets that fall on them from the rainforest canopy. 9. Sloths can climb trees easily due to the long claws on their hands and feet. Sloths have a system of pulleys in their arms that allows them to hang down and climb up trees. The long claws on their hands and feet give them the traction they need to grip the tree bark and pull themselves up. 10. 1/3 of a sloth's weight is in its stomach. Sloths have been a popular animal in pop culture, but they are not just cute and cuddly. They are actually pretty slow when they move, and they spend most of their time in the trees. But that doesn't matter because all sloths do is sleep and eat, or so you thought. The truth is that 1/3 of a sloth's weight is in its stomach. Sloths spend their entire day in the same tree, but they travel up to 1/3 of a mile there and back each day.